going to start by using my Moroccan Oil Volumizing Shampoo. I really like this shampoo because it's super thick and it's rich. It does give me a lot of volume, so I tend to use this and the conditioner together. But today I am going to be trying out a new conditioner for you all, and then we'll be reviewing it towards the end to see exactly what my thoughts were and how I felt about it. Now, 2 weeks ago, I did go to the salon for a silk press, and I got about 2.5 inches cut off of my relaxed ends. So that's why my hair does seem to be a little bit shorter to you all. It is because I cut it. So you'll be able to see during this video what my curls are looking like and just how much relaxed ends I have remaining. Now, as mentioned, I am going to be using the pattern transition mask today, and it is super thick, but when I tried this in my hair and I put it in my hair for the first time, it had so much slip, which is why you saw my face look like that. But it had so much slip, and I absolutely love this mask. I have fallen in love with it, and I will be using it for every wash day. Sit back, relax. I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair, give you some texture shots, show you all what my curls are looking like, and yeah, let's go ahead and just jump right into this and get into styling. For those of you that may be new to my channel and checking me out for the first time, you may not know it, but this April I am just hitting my 1-year post relaxer. So I have been transitioning for exactly a year at this point of when this video was made. So this is 1 year worth of growth for me. I have been really caring for my hair and taking notice to how it reacts to certain products. I've been keeping up with my trims just to kind of ensure that my hair is growing and retaining the length that I need. And I don't plan on big chopping. I am just going to be kind of cutting a little bit of the relaxer off here and there. Maybe every other month I'll be taking off an inch or two to where I'm eventually fully natural. As you can see, the back of my hair is growing out really nicely. The front of my hair has always grown slower than the back, so it doesn't appear as though it is caught up to the back at this particular point, but the front is still growing out really nicely, which is one of the reasons why I'm not doing a complete big chop at this point. I do want to have more length up there at the front before I completely cut the relaxed ends off. So I'm just going to take my time, wear protective styles, and do things that will continue to allow my hair to grow healthy. Now for my perm rod set today, I am going to be doing it on dry hair. So I am blow drying my hair, but before doing so, I did use the Tresemme heat protecting spray just to ensure that I don't have any heat damage, as well as I'll be sitting under the dryer. So I just want to make sure that my hair is fully protected from any type of heat damage. Now here is a shot right here just to show you all what my new length is after my haircut. As I mentioned earlier, I did cut about 2.5 inches off just to get some of those relaxed ends off there, and that's what I'm working with, y'all. So I am going to go ahead and start by using Pattern Beauty's Palo Santo Curl Mousse. Now it is said to have a lightweight curl definition and touchable hold for your hair, so I decided to go this route to check out this product as I'd never used it before. So I did really enjoy the smell of this mousse. It smelled really good. It reminded me of my Le Labo Santel 33 scent, but it was not overpowering and it did not stay within your hair, you know, once it was completely styled. But this mousse right here, it had a really nice consistency just like any other mousse, but overall the packaging, the feel of it, and the way it left my hair, I did really enjoy it. As I was going through a learning curve with it, and as you'll see later, I probably won't use as much next time, but you know, again, it's a learning curve whenever you're using any type of new mousse. I am finally on my last roller and I struggled a little bit, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. It took me a while to do this roller set just for the simple fact that I hadn't rolled my hair in a while and it was much shorter than what I was used to, so I probably could have used smaller rods. I sat under the dryer for about 2 hours to ensure all of my hair was dry before taking all of the rollers out. Now that they're out, it's time for bed. And it's time for me to let you all know about today's sponsor. Now, I do want to let you know that yanibest sent over some bonnets for me as well as satin pillowcases. Now, with this particular bonnet, I really enjoyed this bonnet and I really like it because number one, it has an elastic band that you can use to adjust the bonnet to fit your head just right, as well as it has double layers, so you could really make this a reversible bonnet where you can wear it on either side. And it stayed on my head the entire night. It never slipped off, so I'm looking forward to using this new bonnet on my hair because my old one, it was time to go. So I wanted to share those with you. I am going to have a 10% discount code down below in the description box for you all. Their bonnets and sleeping satin items are very affordable. Use that 10% discount code, get yourself a new bonnet, and let's go ahead and take these curls out because now it is the next morning and I have my makeup on. We're getting ready to go for the day, and let's see what the finished style looks like. Here was the point that I realized that I may have used too much mousse because I was starting to see some of those white residue right there in the front of my hair, and I was really able to notice it when I started picking my hair out, but it was residue and it wasn't flaking at all, so I didn't consider this as a complete fail because the product itself was good. What I ended up doing was using a little bit of oil and spray in my hair just to kind of dissolve that residue, and it was perfectly fine. As I mentioned, I didn't have any type of flaking or anything, but next time I will use less mousse just so I don't have that residue on my hair. So we are all done. How do y'all think that it turned out? I really enjoyed it. I went out and I got a lot of compliments. It had a lot of body, it was flowy, it was shiny, and I really enjoyed this style. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.